What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. For today's video, we are back with another wig installation, and today's unit is from Afsisterwig. This is their 360 lace delicate 4C hairline, and as you can see, it has the natural 4C edges. This is their kinky straight unit, and this one I think is a 18-inch. I actually love these kind of units, so I'm super excited. It comes with the invisible strap in the back, and I'll show you how to use these in just a minute. And also it has the adjustable band attached. I'll be leaving the link for the unit down below. Also, I'll be tagging all the products that I use in today's video, so make sure you check out my description for the coupon codes, for the wig details, and everything that you need will be in the description. I'm just gonna go ahead and move into the video. So as I mentioned earlier, this lace is actually a 360 lace, so it goes right around the unit. I'm just gonna split it in half so I can put it on to adjust it to my head. So I'm also gonna remove the excess lace from the back of the wig. We do have the invisible straps back there, so I won't be gluing the unit because it just pulls it together to fit your head. It's super durable, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the excess lace from the back, and then we put our wig. Alright guys, so I just put the wig on, and honestly I feel like it could fit a little bit better. I definitely think it could fit a little bit better, but let's go ahead and adjust the invisible strap to see if we can get it to fit how we really want it, because it feels a little loose. But for the most part, this is it. It has the 4C edges, and as usual they have their delicate hairline. Alright guys, so what I realized is that the invisible strap has a little, so the strap itself has a little thing that you slide on to keep it in position. I didn't know that before, so that's why my unit was all falling off my head, but I figured it out. So to save you the troubles, it has a little adjustable thing that you slide down to get it to fit to your head. So yeah, this is it. It definitely fits better, and the back is looking super natural. Let's go ahead and put this unit on. For today's video, I will be using the Even Wonder Lace Bond Glue. I also will be tagging all the products down below, as I mentioned earlier. So if you want to get any of these products, go ahead and check out my description. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It turned out super cute. I love how soft this unit is. It was super easy to install, and as you can see, it's giving us a really natural look at the hairline. I didn't do much to the hairline. I literally just brushed it out. This is it, and I trimmed it down a little bit. This is what it's looking like. This is it. Super soft. Love this texture. Like, I literally love this texture because it matches my hair so much, like so much better than the silky textures. Again, today's unit is from Afsisterwig. This is their 16-inch kinky straight 4C edges unit, and I love how this turned out. Like, the unit is gorgeous. I love the style, I love the lay, I love everything about this unit. I will be leaving the information down below. I will be leaving the link as well. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase, go ahead and click the link in my description to make your purchase. All the products that I used in today's video will be tagged as well, so go ahead and check out my description. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this look, about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.